The Acorn 180 or Bison 80 owner has three options when the power seems to be deficient, or maybe the stair lift is already dead. So there are three options if you have this kind of battery. Okay, here are your options. Option one, you could just buy a new battery. Option two, you can see if the battery can still be revived by taking out the hydrides with a brief power shock. Now that requires a special kind of meter, like a RIM 1000 meter, which I have, because before you do that, you'd have to determine whether the battery packs are worth saving or they're too far gone. And in any event, someone still needs to see why the battery is failing or has failed. And in this case, the problem actually is with the power adapter. The power supply has several problems. Number one, it's not really legal for use in British Columbia, Canada, because it is not. It lacks the electrical certification required for British Columbia, BC, Canada. And here you'll see that the charge point is not getting the required 33 volts. It's only got millivolts, 1/3 of a volt roughly. Okay, so that's why the packs weren't charging. So yeah, without instruments, can't really tell which route is the best route. If you have a NiCad or nickel metal hydride battery pack and a Bison 80 or an Acorn 180. Hope this helps you. Rob from Vancouver.